MARPOL Annex 1, which came into force on October 2, 1983, is part of the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. Its purpose is to prevent and minimize oil pollution of the marine environment, covering both accidental and operational discharges. In 1969, amendments to the 1954 Oil Pollution Convention. These amendments provide the initial framework for oil discharge criteria which were later incorporated into MARPOL Annex 1. The International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships was established in 1973 and revised in 1978, becoming known as MARPOL 73-78. Annex 1 was especially designed to address oil pollution with a focus on minimizing both operational discharge and accidental discharge from ships. Annex 1 established regulation for the discharge of oil and oily mixture from ships, including oily ballast and tank cleaning water, and engine room builds. Annex 1 includes requirements for tanker design, particularly the introduction of the double hulls for oil tanker to reduce the risk of oil spill and the event of an accident. Annex 1 specifies design, features, and construction requirements for oil tanker, focusing on the damage stability and the minimization of oil discharge. Annex 1 is designated special areas where oil discharge is prohibited and heavily restricted due to their environmental sensitivity. Ships are required to maintain records of oil discharges and adhere to specific monitoring and reporting requirements to ensure compliance with Annex 1 regulation. MARPOL Annex 1, which focuses on preventing oil pollution from ships, includes provision for exemption and exceptions. Example, allow certain ships like hydrofoils and submarines to deviate from specific construction and equipment. Requirements of their design provide equivalent protection. Exemption allow for discharge of certain circumstances such as damage of ships equipment. Ship with unique construction features like hydrofoils or submarines may be exempted from regulation.